Well, hello and welcome to you all. I have to start by thanking you for your patience during this difficult time whilst waiting for the information that we are presenting to you now. The fact that you are listening to this video clip also means that you were able to see the Post-16 Learning Pathways booklet for the academic year 2021-2022. This holds all the information required for the sixth form at Ysgol Maes y Gwendraeth and the most recent information for the subjects that are available to study with us. Well, what type of curriculum can you expect in the sixth form? By now, the curriculum is developed to ensure pathways that lead to university, the world of work, apprenticeships and degree apprenticeships. Many of the courses that we offer have changed over the last few years, therefore it is vital that you receive the most up-to-date and accurate information. Most of the courses that we offer are AS courses that lead to A levels or level 3 certificates that lead to level 3 diplomas. With these courses, 2 to 3 units are studied in year 12, which would either be assessed through examinations only or a mixture of coursework with examinations. This will follow on 2 or 3 units in the second year in order to achieve the A level or the level 3 diploma. 40% of the assessment in the first year will count towards the final grade in year 13. There are examinations in May, June with the opportunity of resetting units from the first year in year 13. By now, the January reset opportunities no longer exist, therefore it is vital that pupils achieve the best grades possible in year 12 in order to reduce the pressure in year 13. Continuing to study in year 13 is dependent on the results that students achieve in year 12. These qualifications are graded from A star to E, and obviously U if you fail them. We offer a number of level 3 vocational courses. These are equivalent to 1 A level, with some double awards equivalent to 2. These are mostly based on coursework and continuous assessments instead of examinations. These qualifications are awarded at the end of the second year and are graded as a pass, which is equivalent to an E grade at A level, a merit, which is equivalent to a C, or a distinction or distinction star equivalent to an A or an A star. And of course, a fail would be equivalent to a U. Individuals will also have the opportunity to reset GCSEs in maths, maths numeracy, Welsh and English language. Some of the courses that we offer are delivered through the Welsh Schools Partnership, PAG, and here is that list. Food and nutrition is delivered by Ysgol Bromyrddin. Business is delivered with Ysgol Bromyrddin and Maes y Gwendraeth. Electronics is delivered by Maes y Gwendraeth along with French. Politics is delivered by Ysgol Bromyrddin. Further maths will be delivered by Ysgol Maes y Gwendraeth and Bromyrddin in year 13, which will be available for those who study maths in year 12. Engineering is delivered by Maes y Gwendraeth. Spanish is delivered by Maes y Gwendraeth as well. Psychology is a new course on our menu, which will be delivered by Ysgol Bromyrddin and Maes y Gwendraeth. Criminology is delivered by Bromyrddin. Tourism will be delivered by Maes y Gwendraeth. Agriculture is delivered by Coleg Sir Gar. Childcare will be delivered by Camwrth Gam and is a mixture of studying at one of the partnership schools, which will be confirmed. 1 day a week will be at the home school, and also days on work experience. As a result, this course is a full-time course and cannot be taken in conjunction with any other course. The level of study for this course at level 2 or 3 is dependent on an individual's ability. The level 2 qualification leads to work or continuation to the level 3 course. The level 3 also leads to work, but also has entry to university. Because of the pandemic, blended learning is the new way of delivering courses. However, as part of PAG, we have developed blended learning courses over a number of years. Blended learning is a mixture of face-to-face lessons, online lessons through Google Classroom, and individual study. This reduces the travel implications for pupils and staff and provides the students with skills that are needed for their future. This also supports the strategy of the Welsh Government and the local authority to develop independent learners. In the sixth form, students will study the Welsh Bac. The Skills Challenge Certificate, which is part of the Welsh Bac, is graded from A star to E and is counted as an A level with entry to most universities by now. And for those universities that don't, the individual investigation, which is part of the Skills Challenge Certificate, is seen as an excellent foundation for the UCAS application and is often the basis of discussion at interview. and this is also true for universities such as Oxford and Cambridge. Students in England undertake the extended project, therefore Welsh students would be at a disadvantage for university entry without the Welsh back. So how many courses should you study? Well, this of course will be dependent on your GCSE results. Most students will study 3 subjects with the Welsh back, some will study 2 with the back, and some of those will also undertake GCSE resits. In exceptional circumstances, some may study 4. If needed, when the option questionnaire is returned, we will meet with individuals to advise on the number of subjects to ensure that sensible decisions are made. The fact that we know each pupil means that we can give the best advice for each one. Well, what are the entry requirements for the sixth form? Well, for entry to the sixth form, pupils must have gained at least 5 A Starter C or equivalent grades at GCSE, and in general have achieved at least a C grade in the core subjects, and these requirements are noted in the booklet. For some subjects, for example, like maths, biology, chemistry, physics, and psychology, achieving B grades or higher in higher tier GCSE is required. Therefore, it is essential that you check the requirements for each subject that you wish to study. So what are the next steps? Well, pupils will be sent out the questionnaire through the Blwyddyn 11 Google Classroom, where they can tell us what subjects they wish to study. Also, you need to remember to note any subjects that you wish to study that do not appear in the booklet, to note these at the end of the questionnaire, and we will then see through our partnership if it is possible to offer these. Following this, we will create option blocks, and pupils have the opportunity, a further opportunity to make their final choices. And when pupils receive their GCSE results, they will then confirm these choices. Well, thank you very much for listening, and good luck to you all as you collect the information that you need. Hwyl fawr.